Are we live now? I believe we are live. Hello everyone. Welcome to today's live stream. Quick disclaimer before we start, nothing you see here is a financial advice. I'm just sharing how I trade the markets in real time. You're responsible for your own decisions. So, we had a bumpy start of the day today. So, yeah, I've entered multiple trades. I think 3 this morning, and yeah, let's see how it goes. Also, we'll be interested in this live stream to trade gold only. So yeah, let's see if we can grab some wins after this morning losses. So if we can see gold started with the downtrend this morning, then yeah, then I believe gold is at a range right now, this exact one. But yeah, I see that we printed a low here, then a higher low, then an equal low, then I think this will be a higher low also. So I will be waiting for this candle to be over, then decide if I will go long or not. So my plan is, if this candle, this one that we have right now, prints bullish, so I will do something like this, and yeah, and target my usual TP. For now, we just wait and see what will happen. So I hope you guys appreciate the amount of transparency you see on this live stream. So did anyone showing that yeah, he is on a negative drawdown, negative yeah, I hope you appreciate that. And this is because I've entered multiple trades this morning, so I'm waiting for these trades to move into my direction. But let's see this month so far, custom period from the start of January until today. Let's see, we are still up 22,000 this morning, so everything is good. And yeah, please make sure to like the live stream and subscribe, and also drop your questions in the chat box. So for now, we are waiting for gold to do something. We are inside this range. I was thinking about going long after, yeah, in this candle right here. It was bullish, but it is now doesn't look that good, doesn't look that the price will print a higher low at this level. But yeah, like always, we need to wait for the candle to close before deciding the yeah, if we will go to the trade or not. So yeah, we have some viewers. Great. Yeah, make sure to drop your question to make this live stream entertaining, and also make sure to like and subscribe. Also join my Telegram channel, the first link in the description. So we are at minus 2000 in open PNL, no problem. We spent multiple weeks in plus 20,000. That's yeah, not a deal at all. But this is yeah, this is normal in trading, and you should see this stuff to know that yeah, sometimes you are in open PNL, open positive PNL, sometimes you are in a negative open PNL. You started a great week, you made a lot of money, then you got stopped out 3 or 4 times, then you lost all the money that you made in the last 2 days. Yeah, this is how trading works, and anyone who's telling you the opposite is simply lying to you. So yeah, gold is, yeah, not trending like it was. It's ranging now. It's normal because, yeah, we are still near the all-time high. It's normal that the price will range like this, if you can see. So we did an all-time high exactly right here. Then now the price is ranging on the bigger time frame. And yeah, in this live stream, I will be trying to catch a trade, a good trade on gold. And yeah, this is my plan. Let's make some music. And let's wait for a trade on gold. For now, we are in the middle of nowhere right here. So yeah, there is a level, if you can see it right here, but yeah, candles says nothing. For now, that's why I will be waiting for a clear, yeah, opportunity. Yeah, we have a very small key level right here. Although we passed this key level multiple times, that's not a strong key level. That's why I will ignore it and see how the candles will behave. Yeah, that's it. That will be it for this live stream. I will be only trading gold, and yeah, I'm waiting for this candle to end and see what I can do, if I will go long or I will wait. Also, if I see that the price will print something right here, some inverted hammer or some bearish engulfing, I will go short. But yeah, I don't think it will do that. And also, yeah, we are in a tight range. I don't think yeah, the price will do that. Let's wait for this candle to be over. We have 2 minutes left, then I will decide what to do. So there is only two options. Either I will go in, so long, or I will be waiting for, yeah, for a more clear opportunity. And yeah, we are now at minus 1,500. We were at minus 2,000 at the beginning. Let's see. So like always, the last minute of the 5-minute candle is where price moves yeah, the most. Now we are at the last 5 minutes. Let's see. For now, this means nothing. And yeah, 20 seconds left for this candle to end. Yeah, price is doing nothing. There is no news today, so yeah, it's okay. This candle looks okay, I think. Let me check if we go past this lows here with our stop loss, yeah, go past this one, I think there is some opportunity to go in. Let me quickly think. Yeah, to be honest, I don't like going in inside the range like this, but yeah, let me think about it. No, I will not go in. Yeah, I don't like the setup, to be honest. That's why I will be waiting. My perfect plan will be the price drops to this lows right here so we can get a good entry, or price goes up for a bit, then look for an entry like here or somewhere like here and go short. So yes, these are my plans. So but this candle in the middle of nowhere, this bullish one, means nothing. That's why I didn't want to enter. And yeah, for everyone, I go live streaming every day at the exact same time. Make sure to subscribe to watch my future live streams. And yeah, we are doing great with the live streams. And yeah, I'm thinking about starting doing YouTube videos, just usual videos, but I will need to think about it. So like I told you, yeah, price is not doing, it's not going up for now. That's why an entry exactly right here was the wrong move. So I did good about it, not entering into this trade. Now next move we have this levels. Yeah, let's see what the price will do. Yeah, this was not looking good, and yeah, it was great. I didn't enter this trade. Let's see what the price will do right now. So we have 1 minute left for this candle to be over. Let's see if we can get an entry or not. So we see that we rejected this level, this exact level that we are in, one time, the second time. This can be also counted as a rejection, because if we go to the higher time frame, to the 15 minutes or the 30 minutes, you will see that we had a wick right here. So 50 seconds left for this candle to be over. This looks good, to be honest. I like this wick right here. So especially if we do our stop loss exactly right here, it will be under this one too. So yeah, this looks like a decent entry. Please do not copy trade me. This is for entertainment purposes only. So I will go in at 4600, yes, or 4601. Let me quickly add my levels. 4601, 6, 4611 and 4621, 459 01 and 6. So let me quickly add 4596 and 4606. 4596 and 4611. 596 and 4621. So let me quickly, so this was my entry price, this will be the TP, and this will be the stop loss. Let me quickly get these levels right here. So TP1 will be 50 pips, so that means 0.6. The TP2 will be 100 pips, so at 11. And the TP3 will be at 200 pips, so 21. This will be the TP3. And yeah, let me quickly remove this to have a quick setup. And yeah, let's hope we at least get to the TP1. Looking good for now. So these are, let me show you, these are the three positions that I'm in. And we need to go to the 0.6, to this one, for me to move my stops to the break even. So 1 minute and a half left for this candle to be over. Let's see if we can at least push up a bit. So we entered the last minute of this 5-minute candle. Let's see. See how much the price is moving at the last minute. But how this candle is moving, I don't like that. But we are already in the trade, and like I told you yesterday, every trade you go in, you need to count it as a loss already. Right after you enter a trade, you count it as a loss, because if you got stopped out, you don't revenge trade, you don't get emotional. Yeah. There is some volume. not like these candles here before. So we can see a clear volume now. Let's see. What I was saying that after you go in a trade, you always count it as a loss. Yeah, to not to get emotional when you got stopped out. We can see a clear volume now. Let's wait and see. Today's chat is so dead. I don't know why. Today and yesterday, the day before was very good. I don't know why people stopped asking questions and yeah, not participating in the live chat. At least you need to say hi. Three minutes. What do you think, everyone? Do you think that I will win this trade or not? Yeah, we missed the TP1 by a hairpin. And I always move my stops to the break even after TP1, but now we didn't touch the TP1, so we stay put. You will win if the 15 minutes close screen. Yeah, but I entered this trade based on this level right here that we had since the start of the day. But yeah, nothing new here. I did this thousands and thousands of times, and I don't care, to be honest, if I win or lose. And thanks Sadi for your message. At least there is someone sending messages and chatting. What do you mean by my web trader page? This one? Or this other one? Other one, MetaTrader. This one? It's already refreshed. What about it? The history, you mean? So this candle closed super bearish. Uh-huh. Here you go. Why you asked that? You have won it, brother. I just asked you because there are people who claim to be act. What do you mean? Claim to be act. I don't understand. As live but on not. Yeah, it's live account. You can refresh it millions of times. Yeah, but I don't think they can fake this. So the chart, the TP levels, everything's moving. I think they make screenshots like a live account. They can't, yeah, fake this, I believe, or not. I don't know, to be honest. There are people who edit web pages through the inspect element. Yeah, I didn't understand, but yeah, whatever. Hopefully, but yeah, like I've said, I don't get emotional. I don't care if I win or I lose, because I know for sure that my strategy works. So that's why when you are super confident about your strategy, you stop caring, because you know if you lose this trade, you will win 1,000 other trades, you know. Uh-huh. And which strategy are you using? I'm in 7K drawdown. Oh, but do you have a strategy, a working one, a one that you are super confident about? This is the most important thing before jumping in a challenge. So seems like we will be stopped out. So buying low, selling high after candle closures, following resistance and support. Which which uh, which asset are you trading? So if you are a beginner, I strongly recommend one asset, one time frame, and one strategy. So it seems like the same thing that happened yesterday is happening today. So we are reacting to this EMA again. Although this is usually so soft and doesn't price doesn't react on it, but yeah, seems like now we are reacting this to this EMA. We can't break it. Let's wait for for this trade to end. But yeah, yesterday we had the same exact setup. Today we are having the exact same setup and the exact same results. No problem. You should expect that, especially in trading. You should expect that you can lose a setup yesterday, lose it today, and yeah, you should keep doing the same thing that you did. If you are confident about your strategy, you did your back test, you did everything, you did your due diligence. So yeah, let's wait and see what will happen right now. But like I said, Sadi, if you have been not profitable before, I suggest using one strategy on not one time frame, on one session. I mean by either trading London session or New York session or the Asian session, and trading one asset. You should choose, either you want to trade gold, forex pairs, silver, Nasdaq, US 30, S&P 500. Yeah, this is my advice to you. And you should be 110% sure that your strategy works, and you should do your back tests as at least for 1 year. Then when you are super confident about your strategy, you know your drawdown, you know your average drawdown, you will be super confident in the execution. When you get hit by losing streaks like I have today and yesterday, because there is a 95% chance that I would be stopped out. You will not be, you will not react, you will not go change your strategy, you will not start revenge trading or uh, trying to push trades to to get to your starting equity, if you know what I mean. Because confidence is what kills traders. They keep jumping from a strategy to a strategy until they quit. You should first decide which strategy you want to use, decide which session you want to trade, which asset, then backtest it. Then when you are super confident, you start executing right like a robot. Then stick with one strategy for your whole life. That's why, that's how you achieve profitability. That's how you achieve profitability. Let me say it again. That's how you achieve being profitable and achieve success. Yeah, this is the advice this is so much important that so many gurus and so many people doesn't say it. So they just says follow my strategy, and yeah, but you need to be confident in this in the strategy that you execute to be profitable. If you are not confident, you will keep jumping from a strategy to another, keep revenge trading, keep questioning yourself. Are we stopped out? Yes, we've been stopped out, I think. Let me see. Yes. So this trade is a stop loss. Let's see. So let me quickly delete this position and wait for another setup. That's all I can do. So my plan now is to wait for the price to come back a bit to this zone right here to sell it, because I believe there is a really strong momentum to the downside, and yeah, I can't simply do like this, go in a buy, and we have this strong push to the downside. Texton, you have a very healthy mentally method. Thanks for it. What are you doing all day to not be obsessed to the chart? Yeah, I started live streaming to talk with you guys, to network with like-minded people, and yeah, when but the trick of the mentality is the confidence. Because let's say you did choose your strategy, you did everything that I was saying before, you are super confident in your strategy, you have years, let's just say 1 year of data, you know this strategy, so for example brings 5% per month or 8% per month or 10% per month, then you know your max drawdown will be, for example, 4% or 5%. Then yeah, you just jump into the chart and trade like a robot, because you know, for example, today I had the loss, this one, yesterday I had another loss, but I know my overall drawdown, I know my average drawdown, I know my profit factor, I know everything. So even if things looks bad, it actually are not bad, because I know that it works. I'm trading on gold. Also gold is so, yeah, is extremely hard for beginners. If you are intra trading, so if you are day trading, for example, but if you are swing trading or position trading, gold is so simple, because yeah, gold on the bigger time frame is trending up since forever, so it gives super good entries like you see right here. And yeah, if you can wait And if you can swing trade, so you can see here, yeah, let's see, let's say you did go in right here and you lose, then you go in here and you win. If you can see, let me show you. Gold for swings is the best. Look, endless entries. Let's say right here gold is ranging, so from May until August, so 3 months, then trending. Gold is always trending, millions of entries, you know. And are you profitable not yet or not? Yeah, but let me see if our stop loss will be, yeah, I forgot that we have a strong level right here, a good level. Let's wait for the price to go back a bit, then execute. Let me remove this. I'm into trading since 2019. Yeah, good, but are you profitable or not yet? So this is a risky trade. Please do not copy trade me. This is a very risky trade. So I did go in, and my entry is at 89. Sorry. This is a very risky trade. Like I told you, do not copy trade me. $89. So this looks good so far. I didn't enter 89, 82, and the TP one is at 89.94. So this is the TP one at 50 pips at 94, I believe. 94. The second one is at 99, and the third one is at 09. So let's see. Let me quickly add the stop loss level 82, 89, 99. And 82, 46.09. So like I told you, this is a super risky entry. Do not copy trade me. And it took me 3 to 4 years to understand Forex. And let me see, to understand Forex, but technically, but not technically, but emotionally. But now I lack funds because while learning in the first 3 to 4 years, I mean, yeah, that's normal. Now I'm having a $1,000 live account and challenge account as well. The challenges count was down by 9 by one of my friends. I'm recovering now. I have recovered 2,000. Great. Keep pushing, and please follow the advice that I told you of being confident in your strategy. This will make wonders for you. So we are in, this is my position. Let me show you on the web page too. So this is my stop loss and these are my TP levels. And yeah, I've entered upon this level that every time gold reached this level, it jumped up. That's why you need to execute fast. If you have some music, guys, some good music with no copyright, just send it in the chat, because yeah, until this day I didn't find the good music that I can use on the live stream. Let's see if we can, if I can win this trade, or it will be also a loss. I'm proud to say that I went with my strategy and I'm in a short position from 46.11, so I did nice profit for today. 46.11, 46.11. So you did enter right here. Great. So it was a great entry. 46.11 right here. So yes, it was a very good entry, to be honest. And yeah, I'm happy that you made profits today. Surely. So it seems that we will be stopped out again, or we will simply reject this wick. I don't know, but I think we will be stopped out. I don't know. Let me see, we are 47 minutes in the live stream. Thank you. I'm moving the stop loss right now because the bears very strong today, but we can never know what will happen. Yes, and don't forget that we reach a level where price did reject it multiple of times, so I think it's time to, yeah, I don't know, but it's your choice. I will always take my profits where price did a huge moves in the past, but of course it's your choice. It's only yeah, my opinion. Yeah, I took 66% from the profits. Good. And which time frame are you using? Are we still in this trade? Yes. Sometimes you see here on TradingView that the price didn't touch your stop loss, but on your broker you find out that, yeah, you got stopped out. And also the same thing here, where I entered before. We entered right here, I believe, or something. On TradingView, it's, you can see that we touched the TP1, but I did not. So that's why yeah, you should always check with your broker. You should close two positions as not going as expected. Are you talking to me or to Yuval? Because yeah, we touched the TP1. I will move the stop loss to the entry. So the entry was at 89. So yeah, and always I enter with 3 positions. So now TP1 is already closed. Let me see. Yeah, you can see it right here. TP1 is already closed, and for the TP2 and the TP3 I have the stop loss at break even. So now let me write it, SL at break even. I'm putting the important lines on the 30 minutes time frame and also 1 hour, but I'm opening position and on the 1 minutes or the 5 minutes. Great. I hope that, yeah, your strategy works. Are you trading or on your personal account or on a funded account? Let's see. Price, if price continues doing this, it will even reach this level right here. Let me see. Yes, the previous high. But now let's see if we can get to the TP2, because yeah, like you know, since I've started the live stream, the price is reacting to this EMA, and yeah, now my stop loss is at break even. so no problem for me holding this trade. Funded account, FTMO, the mentally part is the hardest thing for me because of the FOMO. Yes, and for everyone who have problem with mentality, I suggest using a mechanical strategy. So a strategy that you don't, it's not subjective. You see something, you execute it. For example, when I see people trade ICT or other things, some people can see a fair value gap, some other people can't see it. Some says this is a fair value gap, some says this is a liquidity grab, but anyone can draw a different liquidity grab, or that's why I suggest using a mechanical strategy. For example, with indicators, you should look for a strategy that you executed blindly. I hate this music, to be honest, but better than nothing. Let's see how this candle will close. Did I touch the TP2? Not yet. You can see it here that we did not. So the last 1 minute, let's see. Price is still reacting to this EMA right here. And let's go back to yesterday and see what happened when we arrived to this level here where we took the trade. So this push was a straight up. This here we had a strong push, then we did go back to this level, then we did another push. Let me check what we can do right now. $20 seconds. $10 seconds. So this candle is over. I think the price will touch our break-even point. There is a 75% chance that it will touch it. but I hope that I'm wrong and we keep pushed up. All we can do now is wait and see. Come on. And also, if you like this trade, make sure to like the live stream and subscribe. You always forget, guys. Because yeah, on my YouTube analytics, yeah, more than 60% of people are not subscribed to the YouTube channel. Yeah, price is strongly reacting to this white EMA that I have. We have 1.5 minutes left for this candle to close. Let's see. Come on. Did we touch the TP2? Yes. Finally. So this is the last position that we have for gold. And yeah, let's hope that it will continue to touch my TP. So for the TP1 and the TP2, you can see them clearly here. This is the TP1 and this is the TP2. This is another trade that I'm in. Let's check what happened with GBPUSD. GBPUSD, yes, I've entered this trade before I started the live stream. So yeah, I forgot to add 99, 97, forgot to add the TP levels. 27, this is the TP1. 99, 97, this is the TP2 at 97 also, and this is the TP3 at 97. This is the TP3. So yeah, very simple entry, same entry as gold. So now we can see clearly that the price is reacting to this level right here. Let's hope we break it and shoot straight up. Do you guys have any questions? So we have 90 pips to touch the TP3. $80 pips. 70 pips. Sorry. Let's see if we can do rejection of this EMA and shoot up. So 2 minutes left. Let's wait for the last 1 minute of this 5-minute candle and see. So we are now at the last 5 minutes. We are currently rejecting this white EMA. So yeah, good news. Let's wait for this candle to be over to see if we will continue going up or not. But I strongly believe that we will. So for the TP3, let me quickly correct this. For the TP3, and there is 80% chance that we will touch the TP3. in 2 minutes we will also be in a new hourly candle. So yeah, let's see. We need to break this wick for us to continue going up. We didn't break it yet. We wait. 40 seconds left for this 5-minute candle to be over, and also for the 1 hour candle to be over too. A new 1 hour candle is started. Let's hope we break this one. Let's go take a look on the trades that I have open. So yeah, this one looks good. This one's still in drawdown. This one still looking good. I think we will have retracement right here and shoot straight up. This one looks good. This one, yeah, I've just entered this one in the morning. I think it looks good. This one also entered this one in the morning. This one also is from last month. This one also from the last month, and this is from this live stream that we entered together. So this is when where we started slowing down. I think price will still shoot up. We just need to wait. Looking good, especially after this bullish candle with the strong wick down below. That means the buyers are still stepping in. Now we have how much? So 40 pips to the TP3. So we just need to break this EMA, this yellow one, to go further to the TP3. Let's see. So we are at the last 1 minute. Let's see if we can have a full TP today after today's loss and yesterday loss also on gold. Yesterday also I've lost a trade on gold, but if we win this one, it will compensate both trades. This is doji exactly on this EMA, but yeah, I will keep holding this trade because I really think that the price will continue going up. Let's see what this 5-minute candle will look like. If we break this wick, we will shoot straight to the TP3. Come on. We still didn't touch TP3 yet. So we are approaching the last 1 minute. Let's see. Thirty seconds. We price missed our stop loss right here and now is missing our take profit here. Let's see. But like I've said, there is a strong chance that we will get to the TP3. We just need a small push. Hopefully in this 5-minute candle. Did we touch the TP3? Yes. Finally. Yes, this is... Let me see. This is the TP1, this is the TP2, and this is the TP3. Great. Thank you everyone for being with me here today on this live stream. If you like this trade right here, make sure to like the live stream and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So yeah, let's meet on Monday for a new live stream. Make sure to subscribe and put your notifications bell on. And yeah, thank you so much and have a good weekend.